It don't make the sound though.
I'm trying to see when you get over here and go down. There you go.
So you gotta slide it back.
You hit it back. Yep.
Dang, that's the margin. Dang,
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Right.
You set all that on screen now. Yeah. Ding! And you pull the little handle, it'll advance the page, and take it back. And you hit right there where you hit, see the thing move?
Yeah.
You hit right there, and it give you up one line, you push it back.
Dang.
Old school.
It's crazy.
Old school.